The 2016 Northeast Ocean Plan references thousands of marine life and habitat data layers. To make these thousands of layers as accessible as possible in the Northeast Ocean Data Portal, we've organized them into a handful of themes: marine mammals and sea turtles, fish, birds, and habitat. When you click on a theme from the home page, the default map that opens is what we call an all-species map. In this case, we clicked on the marine mammals and sea turtles theme, and the default map shows the total abundance of all cetacean species. In the legend, you can choose to view total abundance or species richness maps for all cetacean species. In the toolbar at the top of the map, you can choose from more maps that group species in other ways, by their ecology, if they are species of concern, or by stressor groups. These groupings were developed by the RPB and regional experts to serve as a way to summarize or distill the distribution and abundance patterns of many species in ways that might support ocean planning in a variety of ways. At the end of the toolbar, you can access all of the individual species maps for each taxa. There are about 150 marine life species, cetaceans, birds, and fish on the portal, and many species are represented by multiple seasonal or monthly data products. Lastly, the habitat theme includes two elements: physical habitat and biological habitat. In physical habitat, you can find data about sediment type, seabed forms, and oceanography. In the biological habitat map, there are layers that relate to primary productivity, zooplankton, eelgrass, wetlands, shellfish habitat, cold water corals, and other benthic fauna. All of these marine life and habitat layers, including individual species, are also viewable in the Data Explorer, where they can be overlaid with any other layers on the portal.